about double win, and this a follow-up video and update on how to make money with double win. If you don't want to miss any video on my channel, subscribe to my channel and like this video so you can help the channel grow. So I will know that you want me to make more of this video. So if I'm not getting enough subscriber or likes on this video, I would think you don't want to see this video. So it will be okay to subscribe to the channel and like this video. So double wins works like this. When the specific token you predict that is going to go up in social value for a period of 3 days, 1 day, 7 days, and you can make profit if this token go up by, let's say for instance BTC go up by 1,200, you're going to make money. But if the price go down by 1,002, you're still going to make money. But if the price stay at the range of 1,002 when you enter this trade, you are losing your asset you use in staking for this prediction. So since you know what the logic are and how it works, so you need to go now and find this is the tokens you can use in this product. Then you will find the token you think that is going to move a specific of price you want to predict. So these are the options of token you have in this on this platform, on this product. So you can always come to this customize right here. You can come to this customize and right here, go back again. You can come to this customize and select the specific token you want to do, how many days, 2 days, 7 days, and input the amount of money you want to use in this trade, and just press get code. Let's say for instance I want to use $1,000. So, and if I press this, so this is how you will know where and how you will be able to make money. So at this current price, if BTC comes down to, let's say, 90,250, you'll be making $326. So if the BTC price go down at the second and the other hand, if BTC will go to around 99,000, you'll be making the same amount of money. But this is where the tricky part. If BTC stay around this 93,750, stay around these levels right here, 93,350 to $95,225, you lose, and 95,413, you lose your asset you use in this. But if it stay around this price, you just need to get your asset back. You are not losing any funds. But if it went ahead, the more it go off, the more money you make. And if it stay in this range, you lose your asset. So this is how this works. And note, do your research before you take any step in this video. So right here, my last trade on this double win, because when I discover about this token, this product, I want to test what is going on with it. So I make 2 trades right here. The second trade right here, which I use an Ethereum. Right here I use $10. You see, investment amount $10, and when I close this trade, I close in profit of $1.79. So that's meaning that's roughly around 1%, 1.79% profit in 1 day. So imagine if that is $1,000, that's going to be like $100+ in profit in a day. But the second one, I close the trades because the chart is not looking good. So, and yeah, so this is the total yield of what I was talking about. And you can always do your research before you get into this and options on double win on Bybit. So there are some other options if you want to know how to trade crypto options and how to like buy a specific token without buying the token at the moment. So let me know if you get value in this video and like this video, and let me know in the comment section so I will make more video like this. If you don't subscribe, I won't know if you like this video and you want me to make more content like this. So see you on the next video.